DJI Avata 360. FocusTrack, motion control. When the aircraft is in 360 degrees mode, you can use FocusTrack. Press the lock button to brake and lock the aircraft in place. Open the shortcut menu and tap the icon to enable FocusTrack. Tap the plus icon or drag a box to select a subject. Press the lock button again to unlock and resume flying. Press the shutter or record button to start recording. You can fly without aiming the aircraft at the subject, while the recording stays focused on the subject. The actual recorded footage is shown in the upper left corner of the screen. The main screen shows the view in front of the aircraft nose and indicates the direction and distance of the subject. To capture more stable footage using FocusTrack, open the goggles menu, go to Settings Control, and set the gimbal mode to follow. After enabling, tap the FocusTrack icon again to exit. When the aircraft is not locked during flight, press and hold the dial to enable or disable FocusTrack. Press the dial to select a subject, or press it again to cancel the selection.